Good evening, everyone. My name is Alejandro Franco Noreña. Tonight I'm going to introduce myself and make a short summary about this polyglot from here to here. Uh, okay, I'm living in Duitama, Boyacá. I am from Villavicencio Meta. I am police officer since 14 years old. In fact, I am traffic police. I control the patrols and car accidents in the highways. Experience about education I don't have. I just study in the university for 8 semesters. In previous studies, I was study at Universidad de la Amazonia, that is in Florencia, Caquetá. I was living here, and I was an 8 semester, but because of about my job, I have to change that university for here, United. Other relevant information. Well, I am married since 4 years. I am 32 years old. I don't have children. My expectation about this class, I would like to get along with you in order to learn and teach as well. Well, the next what about the book? I have some 5 important points. First of all, it really doesn't matter what your learning style is. I realize that is doesn't mind if your learning style in order to acquire a language or for a language. And the next one is about the start abroad. It is useful to intermediate level students, but it is not useful to high level students. The next one, the more time you spend to reading, writing, listening, or speaking in a foreign language, it is better for you. It is better you will get a near native language. The next one is about the language proficiency. It takes time. There are some people in Facebook or YouTube videos who tells about that courses, you get acquire a language in a few months, 3 months, but that kind of people tells lies to you, because if you want to acquire a language proficiency, it takes time. The next one is about foreign degree work. From the book, the foreign degree work, as reported by language learning as an effective mechanism to improve foreign language skills in a fast way. So it is important if you want to improve your language in a fast way, go to another country, or in the United in Florida, you can get a foreign degree in order to acquire a near native language. Okay, that's it. I think that's all, and thank you for watching. See you.